Hi guys. So the first thing I have is this dog embroidered cotton cushion cover. This has a concealed zip for easy use. Also, it is made with soft cotton fabric with detailed dog embroidery on it, which is very cute. And if you love dogs, you will love it. So, and it has decorative tassels, which actually adds a very playful touch, and it does look very cute. And the next thing I have is this Certified Spill Proof water bottle with fruit infuser in it. This is 1300 ml water bottle, and it has built-in infuser for flavored water. You can actually like flavor your water anything you wanted to. You can drink like normal water. It is spill proof and BP free design. It is actually a very large size of water bottle. It has like a large capacity for all day hydration. The next thing I have is, you can take a guess. It's actually one of my favorite things because I love to store things, like organize things and all of that. These are basically airtight glass kitchen jars, and it is actually a set of 6. These have airtight lids which keep everything fresh for longer hours. It has clear glass for like easy visibility, which is very good actually. And also it's good for like ideal dry storage, pantry organization, anything. Look how good they look, right? And now the most prettiest of all. This is seriously very pretty. You're going to love it. It is basically a tulip saucepan with lid, and it is 1800 ml, and this is like durable cookware and which is ideal for like daily cooking. You can cook like anything you wanted to. And also it comes with the fitted lid for faster and even heating. I'm like, you can see like I'm making my coffee here, and it is suitable for like boiling, simmering and sauces, anything, because it just cooks very fast. So the next thing I have is this straw-lined minimalistic oval plant holders. This is a set of 2, and these are very good quality. I'm telling you, these have like this sleek oval design with that minimalistic appeal. Also, these are durable metal with smooth finish, and also it's very suitable for like indoor and outdoor plants. So now this product which I have, this is seriously very Pinteresty. This one is actually a sugar square white 2-tier cupcake stand. It has this 2-tier design for like desserts, cupcakes, but I am using this for fruits because why not. And this has this elegant white ceramic plates, and which are very good quality. And also this is perfect for like parties or any celebration. And now next thing I have is this clear borosilicate glass cooking pot. It also comes with the lid, and this is 1800 ml. This is that viral cooking pot that everybody loves, which we saw on reels. It has that borosilicate glass body. This also like comes with the transparent design for visible cooking, which is so aesthetic. You can actually make so many things in it, like you can make soups, any colorful thing which you would love to see through, so like anything. And now this is a flower leaf snack platter set, which is Again, very pretty. This has this leaf inspired design for elegant serving. Also, like it's good for like ideal for like snacks and starters and anything you wanted to serve in it. I am serving french fries in it because why not? Also, like it also enhances that table presentation when you serve in this. And now moving on to the last but not the least, this is Tuscany ceramic section plates, and it has divided sections for serving multiple dishes. Also, this is premium ceramic with elegant finish, you can see, and it is ideal for meals, snacks, and hosting anything.